Now come to the property. I have asked property. Yeah. So this is the property. Property of material means the property of a material in terms of kind and magnitude of responses. As you, one of the students has replied the same things. Okay, responsive to the specific impulse stimulus. Generally, definition of properties are made independent of the material shape and size. ओके सो मटेरियल का जो शेप एंड साइज होता है उस पर डिपेंड नहीं करता राइट सो वी आर बेसिकली the property means how they respond when we apply some physical okay actions to the material, how they behave, how they respond. That response could be categorized as a properties. Okay, so the applied action could be anything. Okay, could be different forms like electronic, electrical, mechanical. Okay, different kinds of the things that could be as a action. Okay, so on action, how the material is behaving. Okay, that is known as there, and that behavior will recorded as known as properties. So this is their basically uniqueness, and that doesn't matter how they have kept in size and how long and how small they doesn't matter. The property means how small and how irrespective of their size, they must be same throughout the material. Okay, so this is known as your properties.